Modal verbs. As you know, helping verbs help other verbs. There are 3 + 1 basic helping verbs in English: to do, to be, to have, to will. Basic helping verbs help to express the tense, mood, voice. Modal verbs are a class of helping verbs. They also help other verbs. Modal verbs express modality of main verbs. Modality is about a speaker's attitude towards the world. Speakers often look at the same thing, but have different opinions about it. Modal verbs help the speaker to express certainty, possibility, ability, obligation, and others. Modal verbs, as all helping verbs, cannot be used singly. Modal verbs always work together with a main verb. Modal verbs have only one form. It is the base form of verbs. Infinitive without to. Modal verbs do not have infinitive form with to. Do not add s to the third person singular form. Do not have ed or ing forms. Example:
must,
remember that the main verbs following modal verbs are always infinitives without to. Example:
must open,
to ask questions and make negatives, we use modal verbs like other helping verbs. For the question, we just move the modal verb before the subject. Example:
he must go to school. Must he go to school?
For the negative, we just add not after the modal verb. Example:
Maria should go to the shop. Maria should not go to the shop.
So, the word order in questions is a modal verb, a subject, a main verb. The word order in negatives is a subject, a modal verb, not a main verb. The following words are modal verbs:
Can,
could,
shall,
should,
will,
would,
may,
might,
must,
Remember that the verb will can be both a helping verb, which helps express future tenses, and a modal verb, which expresses modality.
I will come tomorrow. You will do it this moment.
All these modal verbs have their own meaning, but some of them are also used as the past tense for other modal verbs. So, the modal verb could has its own meaning and is also used as the past tense for the modal verb can. Similarly, should for shall, would for will, might for may. So, modal verbs are used to express various types of modality, such as
Ability,
requests,
obligation,
permission,
possibility,
and others. Ability.
I can play the guitar. My son could walk at the age of 1 year.
Requests.
Could you open the door, please?
The modal verb could has its own meaning and is also used in the past tense for the modal verb can. Permission.
You cannot park your car there.
Each modal verb can have more than one meaning, which depends on the context of the sentence. Possibility.
That may be true.
Obligation.
You must do it now. You should do it now.
One kind of modality can be expressed by different modal verbs. Choose the correct variant.
She can swim. You should stop. Would he like a cup of tea? I could not die. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel.